Hello everyone. It's been a couple of years since I've started this Jeep. Got a new battery for it. Let's check. Still kind of smells like it. We'll throw some fresh benzene in there. Not too much. It still smelled okay. I'll mix that up. And now we pull the fuel pump relay. Come on. Negatory. Positive. Hey, it's got oil. That's a positive sign. It's alive. That's what I like about this engine. We still have a massive crack in the exhaust manifold down there. Alrighty, got it temporarily strapped down. Alright, let's go for a rip around the neighborhood. I've got a quarter of a tank of gas, it says. Let's see if I remember how to drive 5-speed. That feels like reverse. Yep. Okay. That's right. First is not synchronized in this thing like it is the 6-speed. Alright, well, that's pretty awesome. I'm not sure what I'm going to do from here on out. It needs a new exhaust manifold. The frame's really rusty. Anyway, we'll see. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't, do subscribe. It's free to you guys, and it helps my channel a lot. So with that, I will see you later.